Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 11th. Now we are at line number 235, the speech of Sebastian. Sebastian says to Antonio, he incites him. Antonio incites Sebastian to kill Alonso. Sebastian says, do so to ebb hereditary sloth instructs me. Sebastian says, do so for my hereditary laziness urges me to go backward. Antonio says, oh, if you but knew how you the purpose cherish, whilst thus you mock it, how in stripping it you more invest it. Ebbing men indeed most often do so near the bottom, run by their own fear or sloth. Antonio says to Sebastian, oh, if you only knew how you cherish the desire in your heart while you ridicule it, how is laying it bare you hide it. Drifting men go down. Very good line he said. Drifting men go down to the bottom because of their laziness or lack of confidence. Drifting men go down to the bottom because of their laziness or lack of confidence. Sebastian says, Prithee, say on, the setting of thine eye and cheek proclaim a matter from thee, and a birth indeed which thors thee much to yield. Sebastian says, go on please. Your fixed look and flush on your jaw show that you are going to make an important announcement. By the face, by your confidence, the shining, the brightness on your face, it looks that you are going to make an announcement, important announcement, and it seems to agonize you as much as the pains of childbirth. It seems to agonize you. It seems that it gives you pain as much as the pains of a childbirth. Antonio says, thus, sir, although this Lord of weak remembrance, this who shall be of as little memory when he is earthed, hath here almost persuaded. He says, then here it is, though this forgetful Lord, means Gonzalo, who will hardly be remembered after he is buried. No one will learn him. No one will remember him after his death. Has almost persuaded. For he is a spirit of persuasion, only professed to persuade the king his sons alive, that is impossible that he has undrowned, and he that sleeps here swims. For he is a counselor whose profession is to persuade, as he is a counselor. The king that his son may be alive. The king that his son may be alive. We cannot believe that the prince is still alive. Just as we would not believe that a man who lies asleep here now is swimming in the sea at the same time. It is not possible. If someone is sleeping here, we cannot say that he at the same time he is swimming in the sea. Cannot be possible. cannot be believed, so we also cannot believe that Ferdinand is alive. But Gonzalo has persuaded the King Alonso that his son is the son has not drowned, he is alive. Sebastian says, I have no hope that he is undrowned. Sebastian says, I hope that he is drowned. Antonio says, oh, out of that no hope. What great hope have you? No hope, that way is another way, so high a hope that even ambition cannot pierce a wink beyond, but doubt discovery there. Antonio says, and since you have no hope for his survival, you have no hope for his survival. Ferdinand has died, he has drowned. What great hope might you have for yourself? Now Antonio wants to, though he does not say the thing what he has in his mind directly, but indirectly he wants to say Sebastian to kill Alonso. And since you have no hope for his survival, what great hope might you have for yourself? What ambition you have for yourself? To have no hope for his survival is the same as having a hope. To have no hope for his survival is the same as having a hope so high that even ambition cannot look any higher and discover what is there. Will you agree with me that Ferdinand is drowned? Yes. Will you grant me the Ferdinand is drowned? Sebastian says he is gone. Yes, he is dead. Antonio says, then tell me, who is the next heir of Naples? Then you tell me who will succeed to the throne of Naples. Who will be the heir of the Naples? After the death of Alonso, who will be the king of Naples? Sebastian's clarable. Simply, he actually, Sebastian had no idea. He had not made up his mind that Alonso will die after some time and I will be the king. If Ferdinand is not there, what will be then? He had not a plan. But here Antonio incite Sebastian. Sebastian says, Clerval will be the heir, the successor. Antonio says, she that is queen of Tunis, she that dwells 10 leagues beyond man's life, she that from Naples can have no note unless the sun were post. The man in the moon's too slow till newborn chins. Be rough and resorable. She from whom? Antonio says, she is now the queen of Tunis. How can she be the successor of Naples? She is now the queen of Tunis, she who lives far away from the civilized world. She who lives far away from the civilized world. She cannot have news from Naples unless the sun will act as her messenger. It is too far. Tunis is too far from Naples. She cannot have news from Naples unless the sun will act as her messenger. Because the ordinary man means are too slow. cannot reach there, because the ordinary human means are too slow. By the time, he says, till newborn children, by the time news reaches her in the normal course, infants, newborn baby would grow into beard youth. Infants will grow. Infants would grow into bearded youth. She, for. Now, he says, we all were swallowed, though some cast again, and by their destiny to perform an act, whereof what's part in prologue, what to come in yours and my discharge. He says, by the time news reaches her in the normal course, infants would grow into bearded youth. She, for whose sake we have all been shipwrecked, for whose sake? For whose sake we have all been shipwrecked, some were saved and preserved by fate. Our past actions then should serve as an introduction for our future. Our past actions then should serve as an introduction for our future. Thus, what is to follow is to us to accomplish. What is to follow is left to us to accomplish, to obtain, to gain. And what happens? After that you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.